Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the Google search and web browser history on your Google Chrome mobile app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the Chrome browser, and you want to select the Clear Browsing Data option. And then at this point, you click inside the dropdown and adjust the time interval for the data you want to delete. Anything from the last 15 minutes, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days or 4 weeks, or all time. And you can also adjust more options here too if you want to delete like cookies and site data, save passwords, for example, and just other information that may be saved on the Chrome browser. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.